Ugh. Notice I got my purple shirt on. I don't know what else to do. It's just a small gash. Right there. Right there. Ugh. See, there it is again already. Oh, you know what that is? That's the Plavix I'm on it. Aspirin. It thins my blood. I got 11 stints in me and it keeps sons of bitches forming clocks. Killing me. It's my own blood. I should be able to eat my own blood. Alright, here I am. Let's see if I can get that baby through there. Ooh, there isn't much room. A little room there.
And a brand new day with the advent of night.
Alright, I'll start working on it. Aha! Aha! I'll go the other way. Oh. I'll be back. All right. Now we'll try it again. Backwards. Okay. It's ready to go. But how do I film it? I'll go to the other side and see if that works. I'm going to go over to that deck and see if I'll be able to see it. Okay. Here goes. I gashed my hand a little. Looks like we might have got it. Whew, I can only pick this up with my left hand. I'm full of blood. Well, that's a stress test. I know I'm good for another week or two anyway, huh? There's some stuff still in there. Whew. Did a pretty good number on it. Now I gotta haul it all away. Which I will do. Let's see, that's six, about 30 feet. Oh, maybe more than that. Actually, I don't know. It's pretty high. Whew. Beautiful day. I gashed my hand. It looks worse than it is. I put on my purple shirt to celebrate being alive. Now I gotta load this into the van. I'm gonna put all the crap in the car, or in the thing, and then load it in, and I'll take it to the dump. Okay. Ugh. Notice I got my purple shirt on. I don't know what else to do. It's just a small gash. Right there. Right there. Oh. Okay. Over and out. See, there it is again already. Oh, you know what that is? That's the Plavix I'm on, and aspirin. It thins my blood. I got 11 stents in me, and it keeps the sons of bitches from forming clots. Killing me. It's my own blood. I should be able to eat my own blood. Alright, I'm getting everything loaded in here. By the way, ooh, it's still leaking. Or how's that? It's almost done. And I gotta drag it down now. Tabasco sauce. Good land up there. Last defrosting of this baby. I gotta pick this crap up now.
In a brand new day with the advent of night, rip another page from the book of your life. Before your dreams are gone, they were born and now they're gone, cause you can't make up your mind. So sad for me to see you crushed by your reality, but you have no idea how much